Welcome back, folks. Okay, as you can see, unlike my other episode, unboxing episode, I opened the box with a key. I did that now again, and I just thought I'd spare all you people to watching me cut the box open. I have not actually looked inside the box yet, so this is the first time that I've actually will get to see its contents and how it was packaged and shipped. I received this in 2 days, as said, with Amazon Prime. We got, seems like the customary airbag, and we got a visitor here who's going to help me unbox this. That is Indy. Hey, Indy, how's it going, buddy? No, it's nothing to eat. All right. Shoot. No, yeah. Okay. Here he is. He wants figures, man. This shit's got to be wrapped in plastic. Damn. Anyway, we'll move on with the show here. We have a METAKOO mini foldable drone with Wi-Fi. Model M2. Oh, we got another visitor. Patches. Hey, baby. This is my cat, Patches. She loves to get inside boxes and plastic bags for some reason. She gave birth to Indy. Indy was her son that just visited a moment ago. And she gave birth to him in a box. So I don't know if there's some kind of reason for that, but she seems to enjoy her new nest. Anyway, back to the show here. There goes Indy. All right, we got... I hope folks can see here. We got Wi-Fi. We got altitude hold, 2.4 gigahertz RC series, 6-axis gyro, headless mode, auto return, 360 flip, foldable, and height, low speed. High-low speed probably. And if you guys want to check them out on the web, you can go to metakoo.com. Looking at the back side of this caja, that's Spanish for you ignorant gringos out there. That means box. Let's see, you can't read that with a glare, and I don't have my glasses. There we go. I don't know if you folks can read it, but I will read it to you. Cautions: make sure you always use your fully charged batteries in the controller. Do not touch the aircraft while it's flying. Do not fly near obstacles, people, or pets. Do not fly if the aircraft is damaged or low on battery. Adult supervision is always recommended. Well, I'm 50, guys, but maybe I might need some supervision. Hey, Patches, you going to help me out, baby? You going to supervise me? Yeah. All right. Mini foldable drone with Wi-Fi. Okay. I guess I got to break out the damn keys. And I don't think I have them. Oh, here's some keys. Yeah, there. Damn cats. All right, let's see if I can hold this selfie stick between my legs, people. Now this is... Whoa. Somehow we're managing. All right. Look, Ma, no hands. Oh, kind of bumpy ride here. All right, we got that bitch open. I don't know why they had to do this, but I guess it's kind of cool. You know, it hasn't been tampered with. Her shit's missing. Guess I could... There we go. Okay. Figures. Gotta have one of these bitches on there. Shit. Damn it. I'm unprepared, people. Oh, shit. Thought I had a pocket knife in here. Hey, thanks, Patches. Appreciate that. Knocked my box on the floor. Oh, I got some other keys. I'll use these. I think this is for the future ex-wife's old car. Come on, you fucker. Damn it. Alright. Alright, unedited live footage here. Made it a little difficult, but we are in. Yes, we have broken through the barrier. We have here a Mini 2 folding quadrocopter instruction manual. I guess I'll look at that later. A nice little box here. Wow. Okay, and another box. That makes that. Okay, I guess we'll do the little one first. Probably some kind of cord or something in here, I would imagine, using my extrasensory perception of powers extraordinary. And looky there, we have some kind of cord in there. Yes, we do. Yes, little screwdriver and some other shit. And what we got here? Oh, this is probably an attachment that slides on so you can put your cell phone in there. I bet that's what that's for. So we will have to check that out. At some point I might have to do a separate video if it's too complicated. You know, to show how it goes together. Oh, Patches decided to try to make a home in this box. Strange cat. Okay. We open it up. One hand. And we have our controller box. Cool. Look at that. Like a damn game controller. Sweet. And wow, look at that. Ain't that small? Pretty cool, huh? And got something in there. But that probably connects to the phone, I would imagine. So I'll have to look at the instruction manual and not play with this too much. Try to break it before I even get to test it. Looks like a damn little toy. Flip it over. We need batteries. Oh, that's what the screwdriver is for. Okay, and then the clip must slide in here somehow. I don't know where the phone rests. Well, I'll have to look at the manual and figure it out. Okay, people? But that's what you got. No more goodies in the boxes. Empty. Okay? Nada. So I got this, and this with our nano drone. Wonder how this will work outside. Probably won't work too well in a lot of wind. And who knows how long the battery life is. There, go get some of that light out reflection out of there. And we'll get back with you people and let you know how this goes. So if you've enjoyed my little unboxing video here, hey, give a big thumbs up and subscribe, like, share. Tell your mom, your dad, your brother, sister, aunt and uncles, your cat, your dog. Ride down the window, yell it out the damn, car, yell it out the window when you're riding down the road in your car. Watch AdventureQuest. All right, Raj out. Peace out, man.